Servicing rodent vehicles in body shops. First, let's define the essentials. What qualifies as a rodent-damaged vehicle? And why is early detection so critical when cars arrive at your body shop? A rodent vehicle is any car that has been infested by mice or rats. These rodents often enter vehicles looking for warmth, shelter, or food, especially if the vehicle has been parked for long periods. Working on these vehicles can pose serious health risks. Rodents can carry harmful diseases that spread through contaminated materials and dust, which may become airborne during inspection or repair. There's also exposure to bacteria, parasites, and allergens that can affect your health. On top of that, physical damage caused by rodents, especially to electrical systems, can create safety hazards like shorts or even fire risks. Here are the most common signs to watch for. Nesting material such as shredded paper, fabric, or insulation is tucked into hidden areas. Droppings, small dark pellets often found in clusters. Chewed wiring, exposed or damaged wires under the hood or dashboard. Damaged insulation, especially around engine bays or cabin filters. Urine residue may appear as discoloration or visible marks and often gives off a strong ammonia smell, a clear sign of accumulated urine. Should you observe any of these signs, stop the inspection and notify your manager. This doesn't mean the work will be delayed. It means you're taking the proper precautions to stay safe, protect your colleagues, and ensure the vehicle is handled responsibly for the owner. It's not a delay, it's the right call. No repair job is worth a health risk to you or your colleagues. First Trauma Scene Cleanup has been providing professional decontamination services since 1998. We are ICBC's preferred vendor for these types of jobs. Stay safe and see you next time.